Since the early 1990s, Fortum has been using a unique solution for the purification of radioactive liquid waste. Invented by the company itself, this inorganic ion exchange technology, called NURES, cleans large volumes of radioactive liquid waste, reducing it to a small quantity of radioactive solid waste. NURES focuses on removing the most troublesome radionuclides from the wastewater, such as cesium, strontium, cobalt, and antimony. When interacting with the inorganic and highly selective NURES materials, the radionuclides attach to the selective sites on the material where the ion exchange reaction takes place. The ions released to the liquid are inactive, making the outcoming solution clear of radioactivity. The NURES technology can be applied to a full-scale treatment facility, where the ion exchange materials are placed inside steel columns and incorporated to a tailored system. The first step of the treatment process is to remove any solid particles from the liquid to avoid any clogging of the columns by a mechanical filter. The liquid is then pumped through the first NURES column, where the first radionuclides are removed. The process can be optimized to reach superior decontamination by adjusting the pH. This is done in a separate tank by adding acid or base, depending on the design. The liquid is then pumped through the other NURES columns, where the rest of the activity is removed. Finally, the treated liquid is collected in a clearance tank, where it is sampled and measured clean. The final liquid can then be released to the environment or further treated as non-radioactive waste. The NURES treatment system can be scaled to meet specific treatment capacity demands, and the Fortum experts' know-how on radioactive waste management and system engineering is utilized to reach the optimal solution for each operator.